Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Leibert Leo Sala. This is the continuation of the report. In the determine who qualifies for the assessment process, the following questions are considered. 1. What assessment data will justify a child from not qualifying for an adapted educational program? For a child not to qualify for an adapted educational program, assessment data will typically show that the child's current education needs can be adequately met within the general education curriculum without significant modification or accommodation. This could include assessment showing that the child in performing at or near grade level has no significant learning disabilities or development delays that would require specialized intervention and can assess the curriculum with minimal additional support. For number 2, assessment data will justify a child requiring special accommodation to be useful in school but within the IEP goals and objectives. Requiring special accommodation but without IEP goals and objectives. In this case, assessment data would demonstrate that the child has specific learning challenges or disabilities that impact their ability to fully assess the general education curriculum but may not require the development of individualized education program, IEP goals and subjects. This could include assessment indicating the need for accommodation such as extended time on tests, preparation, preferential seating assistive technology, or modified assessment to address barriers to learning. And the last, number 3, what assessment data will justify a child qualifying for special education services, including goals and objectives on his IEP? Qualifying for special education services with IEP goals and objectives. To qualify for special education services and have goals and objectives outlined in an individualized education program, IEP assessment data would typically show that the child has a disability or disabilities that significantly impact their educational performance and require specialized instruction or services beyond what can be provided through general education alone. This could include assessment indicating a significant discrepancy between the child's academic achievements and intellectual ability, the presence of special learning abilities, developmental delays, autism spectrum disorder, emotional or behavioral disorders, or other conditions that necessitate individualized support and intervention. These are the common areas to assess for individuals with special needs fitness. Endurance refers to the ability or strength to continue or last, especially despite fatigue, stress, or other adverse conditions. Flexibility is the capability of an individual to perform different physical routines without incurring pain on certain body parts. 3. Strength refers to the quality or state of being bodily or muscular power. 4. Body composition in the proportion of fat, muscles, and bones of an individual's body. How do you assess it? What level of fitness will qualify a child to require accommodation or intervention? Criteria. First, communicate with classmates. 2. Uses the correct skill at process time. Third, demonstrate the correct position when asked to perform a movement. 4. Demonstrate the correct position when asked to be a specific areas. And 5. Uses appropriate body movement to reach goals. Never, sometimes, qualify, always. Category: cutting different objects. 0. Not yet. 1. Hold scissors. Incorrectly make short snips. Eyes wander. Cuts off the line. Needs assistance to turn paper. 2. Cut 6 across paper independently. Snips paper into many small pieces. With Q, hold scissors correctly. At times cut smoothly, other times snips. Continues cutting while eyes wander. Then focuses back to cutting. Cuts on either side of the line may show sign of need help to turn paper. 4. Independently cuts on straight lines. Shift opposite hand long paper, although not automatically. 5. Hold the scissor correctly. Makes long smooth cuts. Eyes focus on object being cut all the time. Cuts on line, turning paper with opposite hand. That's all. Thank you.